Hello, we want to welcome you to your on-site laundry facility. In this video, we're going to cover how to use the on-site Smart Card Add Value machine to either purchase a new laundry money card or add value to an existing card. In addition to this video, supplemental information may be found in your laundry room or in the property management office. In order to use the Add Value machine, you will need a credit or debit card or digital wallet, such as Apple Pay. Let's start with purchasing a new laundry card by selecting option number 2, Buy Card. Then follow the prompts on the machine. In this case, we will select a credit card and then swipe our credit card down with the magnetic strip facing to the left. In the event that you have a chip card, insert the chip up with the chip facing out. The machine will read and approve the card, charging a nominal one-time fee for the new card, usually $2, and leaving the remaining balance available on the new card, which will be dispensed on the right side of the machine. Remove your new card, take your receipt, and you are set to use your new Laundry Smart Card. In the event you want to add value to an existing card, you will need a credit or debit card or digital wallet, such as Apple Pay. We will select the Add Value service option, and you will be prompted to insert your money card into the machine. The card balance will be displayed as well as a number of add value amounts that you can select. Press the option number that corresponds to the value that you wish to add. The machine will next ask you to enter the type of payment card that you wish to use. Enter the card type and you will then be asked to swipe the card, again swiping down with the stripe to the left. In the event that you have a chip card, insert the chip up with the chip facing out. The transaction will be approved and your new balance displayed. You can remove the card and take the printed receipt as you've successfully added value to your laundry card. That ends our video. Again, if you have any questions, please contact your property management office for more information. Thank you, and have a great day.